Welcome back everybody to Heather's East Kitchen, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you'd like to see more videos like today's video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll be notified of any uploads that I upload to my channel. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to make some garlic Parmesan potatoes. This meal today that I'm going to be making is very delicious. It's a really good side dish, guys, and something that can go with just about any meal that you prepare. Alright guys, so stay tuned and we're going to get into this video. The first thing I'm going to do, guys, is rinse off your potatoes. Always rinse off your potatoes. So I'm going to start off by rinsing those off, and then I'm going to go ahead and get all the little grime off of them. Now I'm going to take each potato and just slice them up. I'm going to chop them down, not too small, but I'm just going to chop them down just about quarter size. Alright guys, so now that all the potatoes are chopped, I'm going to go ahead and put them back in the bowl. Because the next step, guys, I know y'all see that olive oil sitting on the counter there, guys. I'm going to mix that olive oil into these potatoes, and I'm going to stir them up so the olive oil can get distributed all over these potatoes. And just stir them up pretty good, guys, and just make sure that each potato gets some of the olive oil on it, because that's going to help the seasoning to stick onto the potatoes as you bake them. I got this Weber's garlic parmesan seasoning, guys, from my local market, and this is something that is very easy. You can always do some regular shredded parmesan and some garlic seasoning, guys, if you wanted to, but this is very easy to just buy it in the bottle like this, guys. And my channel does focus on easy meals and easy ways to prepare meals, so this is another easy meal for you guys, or shall I say, an easy side dish for you guys. So once you get everything together, guys, you're going to go ahead and line your pan with some foil, and that's just to help the potatoes to get a little bit crisp as they're cooking. And also to keep your pan from getting sticky, or to, shall I say, the potatoes sticking to your pan. So once you pour all your potatoes in the foil lined pan, guys, just make sure you spread it out pretty evenly so you know it's pretty even, not all bunched up on each other. And then you're going to sprinkle some more garlic parmesan on there, guys, just to make sure that it's evenly distributed so you can get it all over top of there, because you want them to be very flavorful once they come out that oven. And you can put as much or as little as you like, guys. I and my husband like a lot of garlic parm on these potatoes, so we do put quite a bit. Alright guys, so once you're done with that, you're going to pop these in the oven on 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. And once they're completed, you want to take them out, guys, and look how beautiful these turned out. I do sprinkle a little bit more on top once I do take them out the oven, just to give it a little bit more flavoring, guys, but you don't have to do that step. But these potatoes are going to be delicious and definitely going to be a fan favorite, or shall I say a family favorite.